Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to use SolidWorks software to learn it. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to File, click New, select Part and select OK. Now I am going to select Plane. Now select Front Plane and Sketch. Now go to Hair Plane White. Now draw the line, midline from to origin. Here, select and select. OK. Now give the dimension, this line dimension 150 and this line dimension 80. OK. Now go to feature and extrude. Direction change, give the value 50. OK. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now draw the hair line. Select. Now give the dimension this line and this line distance 8 and this line distance 10. Now this line distance 5. Okay. Now again here draw the circle. Give the circle below 16 diameter and this point and this line distance 130 and this point and this line distance 40. Okay. Now go to isometric view and feature and extrude card. Now use the throttle. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now select right plane and mirror. Now select here card. Okay. Now go to again this face and sketch. Now draw the hair line. Select. Okay. Now this point and this line distance 12 and this line degree 90. Okay. Now this line distance 8. Now this line and this point distance 25. Okay. This line dimension 90. Okay. Now go to this point, control this point horizontal. Okay. Now go to isometric view and select feature and select card. Okay, through all. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now draw the hair rectangle. Rectangle. Now give the dimension rectangle. This line dimension 12 and this point and this line distance 10. Okay. Now this line dimension 30. Now go to isometric view and feature and extrude card. Okay. Now select isometric view. Okay. Now go to hair isometric view. Now select color. Now give the color as you wish. Okay. Now you can use fillet something. One. Select hair and hair. This way select. All face select for fillet. Okay. All face select. Okay. Go to isometric view and select hair shaded tools. Okay. Now you can hair color select another color face. You can select hair white. White color. Only hair select face. White. Okay. Go to isometric view. Okay. Make your job. Thank you all everyone share and like. If have any ask you can write comment box.